Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and today we have a short English pronunciation practice.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen and repeat.
Great, Nexo. Today we will practice the sound W with clear words and short phrases.
Nice. The W sound feels fun.
First, I will show you the structure of our pronunciation lesson. The first part of the lesson is words. Listen to each word and repeat it clearly. The second part of the lesson is phrases. Listen to short sentences and notice the sound in context. Remember, small practice every day helps your pronunciation grow.
I like that. Small steps, big progress.
Excellent energy, Nexo. Now, let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Water. Water. Window. Window. Watch. Watch. Wheel. Wheel. Wall. Wall. Woman. Woman. Wolf. Wolf. Whale. Whale. Worm. Worm. Wood. Wood. Wing. Wing. Web. Web. Wagon. Wagon. Wallet. Wallet. Watermelon. Watermelon. Wave. Wave. Well. Well. Wig. Wig. Phrases.
Great job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible. Now in phrases, your goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
I am listening closely. I want my English sounds to feel natural.
Water. Water. The water is cold. The water is cold. Window. Window. I open the window. I open the window. Watch. Watch. She wears a watch. She wears a watch. Wheel. Wheel. The wheel is round. The wheel is round. Wall. Wall. The wall is tall. The wall is tall. Woman. Woman. The woman is happy. The woman is happy. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf runs fast. The wolf runs fast. Whale. Whale. The whale is big. The whale is big. Worm. Worm. The worm is small. The worm is small. Wood. Wood. The wood is dry. The wood is dry. Wing. Wing. The wing is blue. The wing is blue. Web. Web. The web is sticky. The web is sticky. Wagon. Wagon. The wagon is red. The wagon is red. Wallet. Wallet. The wallet is black. The wallet is black. Watermelon. Watermelon. The watermelon is sweet. The watermelon is sweet. Wave. Wave. The wave is high. The wave is high. Well. Well. The well is deep. The well is deep. Wig. Wig. The wig is pink. The wig is pink.
Good job. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation lesson.
Yes. I practiced the W sound and I feel more confident.
Wonderful. Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next class.